Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for Data Analysis series. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and important topics in Python, classes and objects. This is where Python truly shines for writing clean, modular and scalable code. Now before we jump in, I want to take a moment to set the expectations for the topic. Classes and objects form the foundation of object-oriented programming, and its concept that requires a little bit of time and patience to grasp fully. So here is the plan. We will be covering this topic in three parts, breaking it down step by step to make it smooth and easy to understand as possible. Let's begin with the basics. A class is like a blueprint or template for creating objects. Objects are individual instances created using this blueprint. Think of a class as the plan of a building and the building itself as an object. Why use classes and objects? They help us organize code, make it reusable, and model real-world problems efficiently. For instance, in a car dealership management system, cars can be represented as objects, each with their brand and model. Now let's talk about syntax. A class is defined using the keyword class, followed by the class name. Inside the class, we can define its structure and behavior. For now, we will keep it simple with an empty class using the pass statement. After defining a class, we can create objects from it. Here is an example. We have created a class called car. Using that class, we create an object called mycar. This object is like real-world car based on the blueprint of our car class. Alright, let's jump into a quick demo to reinforce what we have learned. Let's create our first class and object together. Here we will use class keyword to create a class car and give a colon here. We will take care of the indentation and provide pass to our class. And when we execute this, we have defined a simple class called car. It doesn't do much yet, but it's our starting point. Now let's create our object, my car, and here we will define the class it belongs. When we execute this, we have created an object my car from the class car. This object can be thought of as a real world car based on our class blueprint. And when we print this object, we will see its location in memory, showing that this object exists. So that's it for today's demo. Remember, this is just the beginning. In the next session, we will add more complexity by introducing attributes and methods. Today we have explored what classes and objects are, why are they important, and the basics of their syntax. In the next video, we will dive deeper into attributes and methods. So stay tuned. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share with anyone who is interested in learning Python. Thank you and Jai Hind.